This is King David from the Bible, the great king. He is playing the harp and he needs a shield to defend himself from his many enemies. So King David thought, how can I defend myself from my enemies that seek my life for no reason and hate me? So King David thought, how can I explain to the people the things I believe in? How can I explain to myself the things I believe in? I need to explain to them that there is a God in Israel and that this God helps me. So King David reasoned as such. I need to explain something to the people, so let me try to explain something to you. It's gray. Do you know what it is? No, probably not. Let me write down some gray things. Mouse, elephant, mud, why not? All the gray things that I can imagine. While our object can be all things gray that we can imagine, David saw something else. He added a second characteristic to his diagram, and he said, it is not only gray, it's also an animal. David noticed that every time that he adds another characteristics, he closes in on the subject that he wants to describe. Now David added a third characteristic to this diagram and said, this is not only gray, it's not only an animal, but it's also small. So it's not an elephant. David understood that there are many gray, small animals around, like rats, so he decided that if he would add a total of 6 characteristics in this diagram, it would accurately describe the object or maybe any object. Making a Venn diagram with 6 characteristics quickly becomes a mess. So we have to do that very structural. Let's make a 6 pointed polygon, and let's add a circle to each node with the same diameter. Here goes one circle, and we copy that one and we add it to the next node, and another one, and we add it to the next node, and so on. And this way we get the Venn diagram with the 6 characteristics of David. The area in the center, of course, describes what all these 6 characteristics have in common and is what David wants to prove. Now we remove the n-gon, and what results is the Venn diagram of David. David placed inside the Venn diagram elements, all the things that he had learned. The flood, the menorah, the Torah, the Shelf Sea crossing, the Jordan crossing, and the water that came from the rock in the desert. These 6 things can only have one thing in common, and that is that there is a superior God in Israel. This is the complete shield of David. David quickly found out that the people is not interested in his explanations, only they are interested in the conclusion. And the conclusion is exactly the center of his shield. So David thought, let me remove the rest of the shield and only present what they want, the conclusion. What the people of David did not understand is that his God likes that people think and that people reason. So because of that, God made David king of Israel. And this is his shield, his conclusion.